Oh my god, guys, guess who got monetized? I still can't believe that I'm already monetized on YouTube. I'm so excited, and your girl is so happy because this has been a long time coming. My OGs, you know that this has been a long time coming, and this is something that I have been chasing for years and years and years. And finally, as a Kenyan YouTuber, I'm here, happy and monetized. I have 177 videos on my channel as of today, like as of now. 177 videos. Come on, you guys, you know that's not easy. Some people get monetized with the first video they upload. Some people get monetized with, I don't know, a few hours after they upload their video. That has not worked with me, and I'm very, very sure that this video is meant for someone who is struggling or who has struggled their way up. Let's get away with that excitement and let me get you guys into the reality about getting monetized. And you guys, you will not believe me with everything that I will say, but make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I'm very, very sure this is the video you've wanted to see for the longest time. For the OGs in this channel, know that I spill all the tea, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video, and I might also give you a snippet of what I'm currently earning on my channel right now. So stick around. In today's video, we are going through the requirements, the application process, through the tips and tricks that you could use to meet the YouTube requirement. If that sounds like something you are very, very interested in, then let's get into the video. Let's get on the ride. If you've been on YouTube for a while, you already know that what is required is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid watch hours in the previous last month. This is because YouTube cannot automatically keep all our data from all those past years. It only refreshes every year because we are so many YouTubers, we are so many people using the YouTube platform, and all that data cannot be stored. So in order to keep other data really relevant, they try to keep it in the last 12 months. So that is the reason why we have to hit 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. But with 1,000 subscribers, you can take as much time as you want, and this is the threshold that is so much hard for people like me to hit. I started my channel back in 2019, and guess what, we are in 2022 July. My 1,000 subscribers came in a lot earlier. I've gotten monetized when I'm at 1,580 something subscribers. Yeah, so, and I'm so grateful for everyone who has ever engaged with my content. Thank you. May God bless you, and may God add so much to your hands, so much to your family, in such a way that you will never lack. As you can see, you made your girl happy. I hit the 4,000 watch hours in July 7th, if I'm not wrong. If not 7th, then it is 6th. It was on a Wednesday. I checked my YouTube studio on Monday because on Monday is the day that I get to upload videos on this channel. I upload on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So when I checked my YouTube studio on Monday, I was like, why are these watch time hours not still adding up? Because I knew I already got the watch time hours by that Monday, but it was not yet updated on the monetization tab. So I was like, why are they not adding this thing? With everything going on, am I not worthy of everything that I've been working hard for? Later on Wednesday, when I checked, I wanted to upload a video. I was like, let me check this, and when I checked, your girl was ready to apply for monetization. This has been my dream since I started YouTube, and I'm achieving it more than 2.5 years later. I know I'll be rambling a lot in this video, but you just have to bear with me, you guys. I'm so excited. I just want to inspire someone who is kind of struggling to get people who are watching their videos to get the 4,000 watch hours. Keep grinding. You are almost there. Keep on. I will be sharing how I got to reach the 4,000 watch hour a lot faster, because a few months ago I was at 400 watch time hours. It has not taken a long time. Then 3 months later, I already have 4,000 watch time hours. There's something I changed from the time that I started YouTube. There's a day that Miss Trudy posted on her Instagram, and she said, if you keep doing the same thing repeatedly and you are not seeing results, then what are you doing? It was a post that kind of makes sense, but that is how I interpreted it, and I kind of felt it because I kept on doing the same things. I kept on doing natural hair videos. I kept on pushing and forcing my viewers to see natural hair videos while they never wanted to see that. So I think that I will be sharing all those tips, all those strategies and stuff later on in the video. Now, after hitting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube sent me an email. Even though I received the email a lot later, I was so excited. I just went ahead and applied a lot faster before YouTube sending me the email of congratulations, whatever you hit, whatever requirements you can now apply for YouTube partner program, whatever. The first step is to review YouTube monetization guidelines, community guidelines. So make sure you go through all of that just to make sure that everything is in control and everything in your channel is not copyrighted and stuff like that. And make sure you make changes to your channel in case you have any copyright issues, or if you're using anyone's videos or you're using anyone's content, make sure you rectify that. After hitting 4,000 watch hours, you can private some videos so that it cannot affect how everything is going on in your channel and the review process. So the first thing is always to accept YouTube's terms, policies, guidelines, all that, and then the first tab will change to done immediately after doing that. The next step is getting to apply for an AdSense account. We all know that Google, or maybe some people may not know, YouTube is owned by Google. So in order to get paid by YouTube, you have to own a Google AdSense account. That is where you will see your payment threshold, whatever you've earned, all the data on your payment, on your address. You cannot be monetized if you do not have an AdSense account. I know there are so many ways of getting paid out here, but when it comes to YouTube, you have to, and you need to, and you must have a Google AdSense account. One problem that always affects almost every YouTuber is getting denied by Google AdSense in the first place. You just apply and you hope that it works out, and then boom, an email, rejection. Boom, another email, rejection. Boom, another email, rejection. And you're like, what am I doing wrong? So one thing that always affects most YouTubers when it comes to Google AdSense is having two accounts or having more than two accounts, and that is very wrong because that is a way you are going to get paid, and Google or Google AdSense has to verify that you are the potential owner. They verify so many times. I got denied 3 times. I even forgot that I used to have a Google AdSense account and I was marketing my Facebook page. That one takes around 24 hours. If that is the maximum, it takes around 24 hours. With all the denial and stuff, it can take you 2 days. But if you go through the entire process very well, it takes less than 12 hours to get the confirmation from Google AdSense that your account has been verified. The tab right there will automatically change from in progress to done. So the day I got that done, I was happy. It was on a Friday. The next step after having a Google AdSense account is YouTube reviewing your entire channel, and this one is human reviewers, and what they check is whether your videos are advertiser friendly, and they also follow the community guidelines, and there is no spam. They always say it might take like from 3 days to forever. On Tuesday it was reviewed, and when I opened my YouTube studio, I know my friends on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook already know this. They already know that I have been monetized because I could not keep all that to myself. Okay, step 1, when it's done, it goes to step 2. After step 2, it goes to step 3, where human reviewers get to review your video, and then you get a notification by YouTube telling you that you're finally into the partner program. I got that confirmation, and I had to get to YouTube studio and manually I had to turn the monetization on for all those 177 videos on YouTube. Come on you guys, this is not easy. And then go straight to every single video which is more than 8 minutes long and put ads in, like put mid-roll ads. You guys, it was not easy. The mistake that I did is ignoring that section which is in the monetization tab that says monetize all videos. You know, I went manually and monetized all those 177 videos. Now, after tapping on monetization for all those, you know, YouTube videos, I was not seeing the final like dollars coming in, you know, those kind of cents that people usually say that, oh, it is only cents coming in and stuff. So I was not seeing anything. I was just seeing $0, checking RPM $0, and my videos in the last 48 hours are running. People are watching my videos, but I'm not seeing any amount getting in. So this went for 2 good days. My girl was just watching her YouTube studio like this, like a book. What I did not tap on is allowing YouTube to finally monetize the entire channel. So I did not tap on that blue check mark that was there. So immediately after tapping in, and when I went back to my YouTube studio, guess what? All those things started rolling in, the CPM, the RPM, and all of that. So meaning in the previous 2 days of being monetized, I lost all those views, all those dollars, because I did not turn on the entire channel's monetization. It was at $0, and that one consumed me forever. I hope that helps someone out there. The question that people always ask is, how long does it take a Kenyan YouTuber to get monetized, like to finally get monetized? May take a bit of time, but if you have everything in check, if you don't have an existing account and your videos are well optimized, you are not having copyright issues, it should take you less than 5 working days. They only count the business days. I got AdSense approval on a Friday, so I had to wait until Tuesday in order to get accepted into the program. We don't count weekends. I hope that makes sense. I hope this video is helping someone out there, and if it is, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications, because your girl will be updating you on every single step. That one will be just like me appreciating you guys for supporting my channel. All I want is all of you to have channels, and all of you to reap all the benefits and the good fruits that comes from having YouTube channel. After all that process and all that going on, and after monetizing your videos, you have to wait for YouTube to notify you on different things, and that is adding your address and stuff like that. So that is what I'm currently waiting for, and that is adding my address to Google AdSense and my payment profile and my tax information and stuff like that. So if you guys want a future video, because I'm so excited for this series, make sure you stick around and make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out, because this one will be so exciting. The next thing that I have for you is the tips that helped me get my 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watch hours. I know you guys have heard so many things that people do say that be consistent. I don't know. My tips are few and they are very core. They will help you. They are tips that will help you, and I already said even in the beginning of the video, do not share your videos with your friends unless they are interested in such kind of content. What do I mean by that? You do content on makeup and you have a male friend, you want to send them that kind of content to watch for you, baby? Do you think they will watch it till the end? They will just view your link, comment and leave. Okay, I know you have friends who are genuinely supporting you and genuinely want you to reach all those watch time hours, but when it comes to YouTube likes it when they recommend the videos themselves. And when I noticed that, I stopped sharing, I stopped overdoing it, and I just made my videos and posted on YouTube and did not share my links whatsoever. And since that day, I always see my impression click-through rate just went high. Please, if you're starting out, this is very crucial. I know it is important to share. You can share on Facebook, because that is where you will find people who are like-minded with the kind of content that you're trying to put out. Make sure that your thumbnail and your title, wherever you are sharing, is displayed so that if they don't like the video, they will not click on the link. Share the link but make sure that the title and the thumbnail is visible for the person who is going to see, so that they can know whether the content is resonating with them. And sometimes people just click on links ruthlessly and they just end up hurting your watch time. Another thing, YouTube does not discover new channels a lot faster unless you have a whole other following from other apps like Instagram, TikTok. You know, that one you will get noticed so much faster because you drive traffic from other channels. Yeah, it takes a while, you guys. Just keep on going. These are tips that I have seen myself, so make sure you implement them. When you see a trend, make sure you hop on the trend. So long as the trend resonates with the kind of audience that you have, make sure you hop on the trend real quick. And right now I see home decor, home interior, and say apartment tours and stuff like that. They really get traction. They really get recommended so much. So make sure if you are starting out on YouTube, you can do apartment tours and stuff like that. You will get yourself even having more subscribers than me. Those videos that are performing very well on your channel, you want to keep doing those kind of videos. Sorry for the lighting, I have to finish. You recreate them. One of my videos that I created when I was starting out, which is how to make money with global internet fortunes, that video has gotten traction and it is the best performing in my channel. So from that, I have tried to upload videos that surround the same topic. The people who subscribe to my channel, most of them like that kind of content. So if I post more of that, my video keep on getting recommended to them. That is how I got to reach 4,000 watch hours a lot faster, especially in the last 3 months. If people see you posting consistently, they are likely to come back for more. The next thing you want to do is to pick on days that you are going to upload, and these are days that you are not going to miss. You can pick 1 day in a week, you can pick 2 days in a week, 3 days in a week, whichever you feel is right for you. But with me, when I was a student, I used to bounce on and off. You know, that one affected how people interacted with my content, and that is what slowed down my growth. So I don't want that to happen to you. If you're starting out, just pick a day within the week or 2 days, and then be consistent, even for 9 months, even for a whole year. Then you will see growth a lot faster. The next thing is that as you're starting out, don't stress so much on niching down. I know you've heard so much people saying that once you niche down, you get to grow so much faster, but do you put your mental health or your entire health into consideration? Some people already have a defined niche that they want to get into, and if you have that, then good for you. You can start out with that. I have no control over that. But if you don't know what to do or you don't know how to start on YouTube, just start. Just post everything that you do within the day and stuff and see where it goes. Someone always told me that watch the winners, so I always kept on watching the winners. So the winners are those people who have made it on YouTube. Even this kind of video that I'm posting right now, I don't know how many of them I've already watched on YouTube. There's so many. All you do is to recreate your own, be your best authentic self. Do not copy others, do not copy how they speak, do not copy how they do stuff. Just be your authentic self. You can borrow ideas, but do not copy. So that is what is happening on YouTube. You watch the winners and you do what the winners do, and then you make it. The next thing is listening to your audience. Even though you might not have a very large of an audience like me, I think that it is so important to listen to the people you are trying to reach out to, and as well as them listening to you. It must be a two-way kind of thing. Go to your YouTube analytics and check on analytics and stuff like that, and see what your audience like the most, and keep on doing the same thing. I hope all those tips will help someone to reach 4K hours, and as you can see, it is already dark here. I will do maybe a part 2 series if you guys have engaged with this video well, which is so rare for me, but we will see. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you like it, make sure you subscribe down below. Turn on post notification. By that I mean ring the bell so you get notified whenever I post my next video on this kind of topic. Liking the video is very free of charge, so make sure you do so. I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.